Investors in the United States are preparing for the first public sale of stock in the Chinese company Alibaba. The company sells goods by linking buyers and sellers in the huge Chinese online market. Alibaba is expected to make its initial public offering, called an IPO, in September on the New York Stock Exchange. The total value of the company, based in Hangzhou, has been estimated at about $200 billion. Reports from Bloomberg News say Alibaba is offering investors a 12% share of the company. That would mean the company could raise more than $20 billion in the public stock sale. After the IPO, Alibaba could become one of the most valuable technology companies in the world. The e-commerce company is responsible for most online sales in China. It dealt with more exchanges last year than U.S. companies Amazon and eBay combined. And it has more than 230 million active buyers. Scott Kennedy is director of Indiana University's Research Center for Chinese Politics and Business. He says Alibaba has grown from a very small company 15 years ago to the main online seller in China. The company holds about 80% of the Chinese online sales market. Scott Kennedy says the company is profitable, which is unusual for a technology company first offering an IPO. Alibaba has chosen to sell its stock to the public on the New York Stock Exchange, rather than in China. China is now the world's second largest market for e-commerce.
Glossary.
Glossary.
Investor.
Investor. An investor is a person who puts money into something in order to make a profit or get an advantage.
Investor. Investor.
An investor is a person or group of people who put their money into a business or other organization in order to make a profit. The United States. The United States, often referred to as the USA or America, is a country located in North America. It is the third largest country by land area and has a population of over 330 million people. The New York Stock Exchange. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, is one of the world's largest and most influential stock exchanges. It is located on Wall Street in New York City and is operated by the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE. The New York Stock Exchange serves as a vital hub for trading stocks, facilitating capital raising for companies, and providing opportunities for investors. It embodies the dynamism and significance of the U.S. financial system and remains a symbol of Wall Street's prominence in the world of finance.
IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. When a private company first sells shares of stock to the public, this process is known as an Initial Public Offering, IPO. In essence, an IPO means that a company's ownership is transitioning from private ownership to public ownership.
Stock.
Stock.
Stock. Stock is an uncountable noun. Stock is the value of the shares in a company that have been sold. Stock is an uncountable noun and is the value of the shares in a company that have been sold. Example: the company's stock hit an all-time high of $94.66.
Hangzhou. Hangzhou is a vibrant city located in eastern China, specifically in the Zhejiang province. With a rich history dating back over 2,200 years, Hangzhou is known for its scenic beauty, cultural heritage, and technological advancements.
E-commerce. E-commerce is the business of buying and selling goods and services on the internet. E-commerce is short for electronic commerce. Example: there is pressure on small businesses to adopt e-commerce to stay competitive. Supermarkets spent millions constructing dedicated warehouses from which e-commerce orders could be fulfilled.
Goods. In the context of economics and commerce, goods refer to tangible, physical products that are produced and traded to satisfy human wants and needs. Goods can be categorized into different types based on various criteria. Goods play a vital role in economic activities and are exchanged through various channels, such as retail stores, e-commerce platforms, wholesalers, and manufacturers. The production, distribution, and consumption of goods contribute to economic growth and development.
Seller.
Seller.
In commerce and business, a seller, also known as a vendor or supplier, refers to an individual, organization, or entity that offers goods or services for sale to buyers in exchange for payment. Sellers play a vital role in the economy by providing products and services to meet the needs and demands of buyers. Buyer. In the context of commerce and business, buyer refers to an individual, organization, or entity that acquires goods or services from a seller in exchange for payment. Buyers play a crucial role in the economy by creating demand for products and driving market activity.
Bloomberg. Bloomberg is a global provider of financial news and information, including real-time and historical price data, financial data, trading news, and analyst coverage. Its services, which span its platforms of television, radio, and print, offer professional analysis tools for financial professionals. Alibaba Group was established in 1999 by 18 people led by Jack Ma, a former English teacher from Hangzhou, China. From the outset, the company's founders shared a belief that the internet would level the playing field by enabling small enterprises to leverage innovation and technology to grow and compete more effectively in the domestic and global economies. Since launching its first website to help small and medium-sized enterprises in China sell internationally, Alibaba Group has grown into a digital ecosystem with businesses comprising China commerce, international commerce, local consumer services, Sino, cloud, digital media and entertainment, innovation initiatives, and others. The mission of Alibaba Group is to make it easy to do business anywhere. The vision of Alibaba Group is, we aspire to be a good company that will last for 102 years. We envision that our customers will meet, work, and live at Alibaba. Our vision for fiscal year 2036 is to serve 2 billion global consumers, enable 10 million businesses to be profitable, and create 100 million jobs. The values of Alibaba Group are customers first, employees second, shareholders third, trust makes everything simple, change is the only constant, today's best performance is tomorrow's baseline, and, if not now, when? If not me, who? And, live seriously, work happily. Alibaba. Alibaba is a woodcutter in the Arabian Nights Entertainments who enters the cave of the 40 Thieves by using the password Sesame. The first known use of Alibaba was in 1712. Alibaba. Alibaba is a poor woodcutter who discovers that the magic words, "Open Sesame," will open the doors of the cave containing the treasure of the 40 Thieves. Alibaba. Alibaba is a poor woodcutter in the Arabian Nights Entertainments who discovers that the magic words, "Open Sesame," will open the doors of the cave containing the treasure of the 40 Thieves. Alibaba. In the Arabian Nights, Alibaba is a poor woodcutter who accidentally discovers the treasure of a band of 40 thieves in a cave. He makes the door of the cave open by saying, "Open Sesame." Alibaba. Alibaba is the poor woodcutter, hero of a tale in the Arabian Nights Entertainments, who uses the magic words, "Open Sesame," to open the door to the cave in which the 40 thieves had hidden their treasure. Alibaba. Alibaba is a character in an old Arabian story who hears some thieves say, "Open Sesame," the magic words that open the door of the cave where they keep everything they have stolen. He steals their gold, and they try to kill him, but he is saved by his servant, Morgiana. The story is popular as a pantomime in Britain.
This material provides a wonderful opportunity to expand one's knowledge of the English language. We are learning American English. Thanks so much for coming to check it out. If you want to see more awesome videos, please consider subscribing.